Question number 2. Okay. The relationship between variables d and t is given by the equation 1 by t equal to b by root d plus c. Okay. B and c are constants. The unit of d is meter square, unit of t is seconds. What are the units of b and c? It's a problem on dimensional equation. Now let us write. The unit of t is second. So which means this will be 1 by second is equal to b divided by unit of d is meter square. Root of meter square plus c. Whatever is known I have substituted. So this will be s power minus 1 and this will be b by root m square, which will now be equal to b by m plus c, which will be b into, okay, I'll just retain it like this over here. See, we know from dimensional analysis that both the sides should have the same unit and every term here should be the same unit as that on the left hand side. Only then this equation is valid. Okay. So therefore, if this term should also have per second, which means what? If this has to be per second, then b should have an unit meter per second. So that what will happen now? If I substitute here, meter per second divided by meter will be per second, and c as such it should be per second. So thus, okay, so only if b and c has a unit of meter per second and per second, only then this equation is valid. So let us see which option qualifies for it. Meter per second and per second. B is the right answer.